What's going on, everybody? I'm here at TradeUI, showing you how to use our option flow tools to give yourself a trading edge. Today, we're actually going to take a look at our Discord and a cool page that we have in our Discord that can give yourself a trading edge. What we're going to talk about today is our super unusual flow page. What that does is it actually brings in small and medium cap stocks, and it shows the option flow that comes in real time. There's a couple of different symbols we have on here. So you'll see green means calls, red means puts. The money bag means the orders are over $100,000, and the fire indicator shows that the bid was at least 0.75 in the ask direction, which indicates a strong bullish movement or a strong bearish movement if it's under that. And as you can see right here, you have a little bear logo if the actual call itself is is bearish, and you have a bull right here if the call is actually bullish. And one more thing we want to really talk about is it shows you how many days since the last option activity has happened, as well as it shows you what are the shares outstanding. So is it a low float or is it a high float? If there's anything 100 million shares or lower, it will indicate that, and that will just show you just how sensitive the stock move is going to be. So it populates a lot of material throughout the day, and I want to figure out how can you use this as a trader to give yourself an edge. Well, everybody has their own strategy, and you just have to realize what the setups are with these option contracts. So just by using TradeUI's site, there was a ticker I saw earlier today, CALX. I'm going to see if I can find it. It was earlier this morning, I believe I got the alert, so give me 2 seconds. Let's see here. Let's see. Yep, here it is right here, CALX. It was spotted at, there's a $28,000 contract, and there was 57 million shares outstanding, but it followed the green circle, had the fire sign, and the bull, with less than 100 million shares out there in the open market. So I told myself, let me look at this and see if it's worth getting in on. So I have it pulled up right here. It's actually CALIX is the company name, Calix. And as you can see, the year-to-date chart, we have a strong uptrend going on here. So if I were to draw this out, I can just put my line here. And we have a perfect bounce off this trend line, which is a confirmation that this is an upward trend. And if we want to be very conservative, we actually have a support zone right here at 50. And we also have one here at 52. And a little more aggressive, we could target a new high. We could potentially see 55.98. Because remember, whenever we have a trend line, our next high tends to be a higher high. However, I'm a little more conservative because if we go, let's see, if I go back here and zoom out, you can see that we have a strong support line right here at 50, and we tend to have a little bit of resistance right here in that $52 zone. So for me, I'm going to target roughly $52 on this trade, which would be right here. It actually is going to be where we're trading in this channel right here. But if I'm in at $48.92, that is a great position to make $3 a share on this trade. And just to show you the option flow that corresponds with it, we actually have the option flow that came in. I typed in CALX. And we have everybody buying the 50 strike. So it's a little bit more conservative. But notice the day till expiration, which is very soon. That tends to indicate that they expect a bull move to happen. So option flow and the TA analysis looks like it's going to be a strong trade to 52, but let's see what else we can find out there. So I'm going to go back to my super unusual flow. I'm just going to find a random stock that fits the criteria of what we want to look for. So let's just scroll through here. And let's see, I want to see slow floats, I want to see a bull, and I want to see a money bag if I can. Let's see. Alright, I'm not seeing just anything too crazy. I do see, let's look at FTAI. Let's look at that one, see what's going on. FTAI. Alright, so FTAI has been running hard, so it looks like they're betting on a run to continue. Personally, I don't like these kind of setups. It looks like they're betting on a breakout to go even higher. However, what I'm going to keep looking through here. Oh, I see CALX again. That was good. Let's see. I think I saw CSV earlier. I think that's the one that caught my attention. Let's see. Where are we looking at here? Yep, CSV right here. So we had green, fire, bull, and we had 13 million shares outstanding in the market. A $25,000 purchase with only 13 million shares, and the fact that that is an option activity in 30 days, that is a very, very bullish indicator for me. So let's type in CSV. There we go. Okay, so it sold off pretty heavy and looks like it's starting to recover. What I'm seeing here, if you can see the same thing, we had a big spike recently and we pulled back, held our 27. It looks like we just broke out of a bull flag. So basically what's going on here, draw my line right here roughly. And everybody who knows what a bull flag is, remember, we tend to make a move similar to the flagpole that was already created. So this move right here, we could potentially see a move roughly about right here, which corresponds with a resistance zone at $29. You can see where this top is right here. A little more conservative, you could target 29 because look where we topped 29. However, we already had the breakout, so it could back test down to 27.54 and then continue upward. Now, I was able to break that down because I know technical analysis. However, I would have not known that this stock even existed if it wasn't for the super unusual flow indicator, and just showing you how powerful that is. Let's just cross-reference it with the tickers. Let's see, CSV. Let's cross-reference with TradeUI. And right there we have a 205-day expiration. Their 9% move, they're targeting 30. Remember, we were targeting 29 to 29.70. So we're actually very conservative if we want to piggyback on this trade. The option flows in our favor. It's a low float, and the technical analysis looks really bullish for this move to happen. So if you want to check out the, excuse me. If you want to check out super unusual flow for yourself, you can go ahead and click that link in the description below. It will take you to TradeUI and their Discord, and you can sign up for the Discord. If you do TradeUI's free trial, you get access to the actual option flow site for 2 weeks, and you get 1 month of the actual Discord service. If you just want to go ahead and sign up for the Discord itself, it is only, I think, $29.99 a month. So if you want to click that link in the description below, it can help you out there. Plus, there's a coupon code you can use for purchase on TradeUI. But guys, at the end of the day, we want to help you become better traders, and having tools like this will give yourself a trading edge, because what we did is we filtered out thousands of stock transactions that happen today to only a couple of hundred that stick out to us, and then from those 100 we can easily identify quick ones throughout the day to find great swing trade setups. Guys, I won't end it here. Hope you have a great day.